At that time, President Donald is seen on January 4, 2021. Children Ivanka Trump and Donald Jr. Former U.S. President Donald Trump will appear as a civilian against him at New York court on Monday. And his two sons begin. And case threatens Republican business empire while campaigning to reconsider White House. In the case of Monday, Judge Arthur Engoron, Trump, his sons Eric and Don Jr.'s Trump Organization has inflated the value of real estate financial assets for years. New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James is currently requesting a penalty $250 million and abolition of Trump and his sons from the management family empire. Trump said he plans to be present for the start of the hearing on Monday morning. On Sunday, tomorrow morning, I'm going to court to fight for my name and reputation, he wrote on the 77-year-old Real social platform. All this case is a fake. In addition to this legal case, Trump faces several major criminal proceedings in the coming months. He is scheduled to appear in Washington before a federal judge on March 4. Accused of trying to overthrow the results of the 2020 presidential elections won by Joe Biden. Trump will then return to New York State Court. This time penalty will be in a Florida federal court, where he was accused of misleading secret documents in public money charges, and then after leaving post finally, he will have respond to state charges in Georgia, where prosecutors say that Trump is trying change in favor the 2020 election results of the southern state Trump. In the New York civil case, Engoron decided that Trump's two largest sons, other Trump Organization managers, lie to tax collections, lenders, insurers in a plan that exaggerated the value of their property between 2014, 2.2 billion.2021. Big coup as a result. Judge canceled business licenses that allowed the Trump Organization to operate some of New York property. Will Thomas, a professor labor law at the University of Michigan, told AFP. In fact, the implementation such penalties will be a big blow to Donald Trump's ability to do business in New York State. Under such pressure, Trump, who made reputation and his reserve as a real estate mogul in 1980s and promises to bring the cutting sector tactics to Oval Office, can finally lose control over company's flagship. James claims that another Manhattan building in the 40 Wall Street was overvalued in financial explanation between $200,000 and $300 million. High-profile witnesses. Trump repeatedly rejected New York civilian claims, called the Black James racist, and label Engoron as unstable. On the Real social platform, Trump claimed that performing the sophisticated Wall Street banks exactly payment without default and without sacrifices, actions that were not wrong. Trump, including Trump himself, claimed that he was guilty tax in a separate case for witnesses and enterprises called to testify at hearing himself, and former director of Trump, who